What's up guys, Spin Firearms here, and today we're going to be comparing two of my favorite firearms. The Glock 26, which is my main everyday carry till this date, and my very first carry firearm, the Springfield Armory XD9. Now, the Glock 26 comes with a flush 10-round magazine, but does have the magazine compatibility for 10 rounds all the way up to 33-round Glock mags. Now, it is 1.26 inches thick, and I'll show you that compared to the XD9. They are very similar in size, very similar, but on the right 15 plus 1 with that base plate, on the left 13 plus 1. So it has every feature that a Glock will have. No safeties. It will come with, well, internal safeties obviously. I mean no manual and no grip safety. It'll come with the regular OEM sights, even though I upgraded these to metal night sights. Come with the Glock trigger, and the finger grooves and stuff like that. Most people are familiar with Glocks. Now, the Springfield Armory comes with a lot of features. It comes with 3-dot sights, this witness hole, loaded chamber indicator right here, a striker indicator on the back. It has a grip safety, which a lot of people don't like. I've never had one single issue with it, and I have 3 firearms with the grip safety on it. Everything functions just very smooth, very clean, and it's a great shooting firearm. The slide is very heavy on this firearm. It is top heavy, but that makes for a very smooth shooting firearm. It is much heavier than the Glock 26 though, and you will notice yourself pulling up your belt, picking up your pants a little more with this firearm. This is a 3-inch barrel, where the Glock 26 has a 3.4-inch barrel. And here's the comparison in length. The Springfield is still longer, even though it has a 3-inch barrel, and the Glock is a 3.4-inch barrel. So a little bit better ballistics with the Glock 26. Now, they may look pretty similar in size here, but the overall surface area of the XD is much more than the 26. I would say the trigger is better on the Glock 26 because I would say the XD9 trigger is a little mushy, but it's not bad by any means. The XD is a great shooting firearm. I have 11,000 rounds to this firearm, not a single issue. People hate on Springfield, people hate on the XDs, but if you're I actually recommend this firearm as well as the Glock 26 to anyone getting into firearms. This will teach you that your firearm will not go off while you're carrying it. The grip safety will add an extra peace of mind while doing that. And for the people who are wondering about the grip safety, this has to be compressed about halfway, and the trigger has to be pulled in order for a round to go off. So some people say, oh, well, that's just another thing that could fail on a firearm. Well, this is a Springfield Armory XD. Never had that issue. It's a great firearm. It does feel very ergonomic in the hand. Even just getting those 2 fingers on, it's not a big deal, though, because it's such a smooth shooter and has such very little recoil. Now, it does look big this way, and that's because it is. Like I said, the weight is up here, but that helps with recoil and making it shoot like a great firearm. Now, this Glock 26 is my carry firearm. It has about 7,000 rounds to it, not a single issue, and that's mainly why I carry it. It is smaller, it is lighter, it is more ergonomic. It's a Glock. It is a great firearm. They both have great magazine compatibility, but Glock is just unmatched when it comes to magazine compatibility. Springfield makes better, nicer mags than Glock does, but Glock just takes it home with reliability. How can you argue with that? But like I said, this firearm right here you can get for about $400 right now, whereas the Glock 26 is about $500 to $525 or so. So I guess it's all about what you want to spend, what brand you like, stuff like that, but you can't go wrong with either of them. In my opinion, both of these are great options, but you will notice yourself pulling up your pants a little more with the Springfield Armory XD9. Also, you can get, what comes with most of these is one 13-round flush mag, and then also a 16-round extended. So what's nice about this setup right here, which is similar to my Glock 26, although let's look at length. So 15 rounds on the right, 15 plus 1, and then 16 plus 1 on the left. The Glock 26 wins again when it comes to that. But for those people who like a really full grip, but don't want to deal with a 4-inch barrel and stuff like that all day long carrying it, you will be able to be much more comfortable than carrying a Glock 19 or something like that, but still get the round, count a little more than a Glock 19. They're both great firearms. You can't go wrong with either of them.